Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making a Hennessy Nutella Cheesecake. Also, welcome to my Thanksgiving edition 2019. Let's get started. Over there I have my eggs, I have my Nutella, I have my heavy cream, sugar, flour, my melted butter, Oreos, vanilla, of course my Hennessy. So let's get into this recipe. So first we're gonna crush these cookies to death, basically. And this is what it looks like. And you're just going to transfer it to a bowl, just like that. And now we're going to fix it up. So you want to add your Hennessy. Yes, I sure did. You also want to add some butter. Mix this up. You want like a sand-like consistency, and just like this. So then you want to get your springform pan. I'm going to spray it liberally because, y'all, I don't have no luck, child. And I need this cheesecake to come out how I want it to come out. So then you want to press your crust down into your pan. Use your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. That was me doing a little shimmy, y'all, trying to tell y'all to wash your hands, but whatever. Push it down into your pan just like this. Alright, the cream cheese has finally made its appearance. You want to beat it until it's nice and smooth and ready to go, just like this, y'all. I have the oldest KitchenAid on the market. I have the first edition. It's old, y'all. You want to add your eggs one at a time. Don't add them all at once because you're going to have a big mess and then you have to recover from it. So just be patient. Add them one at a time and you'll be good to go. Next, you want to add your sugar, your sour cream, and you want to mix that up. Then you want to add your heavy cream and let that go. What you also want to do, guys, you want to scrape down the sides every time you add every other ingredient. Scrape down the sides, make sure everything is getting nice and incorporated. I'm also about to add my Nutella down in here. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box below. So you want to add all your Nutella down in here, y'all. This Nutella and this cheesecake is going to just be so amazing. Next, you want to add your vanilla down in here. Of course, you want to add that Hennessy. Now, you can add however amount of Hennessy you want. You have wiggle room to add more. But my husband is going to eat this, so I didn't want to kill it with Hennessy. So you get the gist. Then you want to add your flour and your salt right at the end because you don't want to mix that to death. Pour it right down into your crust. By the way, I baked my crust for 10 minutes at 325. I forgot to say that. I'm sorry, y'all. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy to get everything nice and aligned. Now this right here, I'm going to bring it to a boil, and this is going to go on the low rack in the oven while the cheesecake bakes. It's going to provide moisture. As you can see right here, it's on the lower rack, and there you go. So this is what the cheesecake looked like, y'all. I was praying. Y'all about to see me act a fool. I was praying to the gods that this cheesecake come out how I want it to come out. Do not stick. Don't do nothing. Woo, child. Look at me celebrating. Anyway, y'all, it was perfect as I hoped it would be. And yeah, so now we're going to decorate it. In this bowl right here, that's the chocolate candies, Ferrero Rocher. I have some pink salt crushed up. You're going to add some hot, heavy cream to the dark chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. You can use whatever chocolate you prefer. And you want to mix that in until it's nice and melted. Once it's melted, just like this, you're going to add your Hennessy. Hennessy is going everywhere, honey. Everywhere. Mix that in until nice and smooth and perfect. Then you're going to pour it right over your cheesecake and just watch me decorate it. Now you see how ugly my cheesecake was when I first decorated it, but once it sets and sit in the fridge, it tightens up. Look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful. Now y'all know I'm not a baker, so if you're better at baking than me, then have at it, but this is the best I came up with, and I hope you guys loved it. Ooh, y'all, yes, I sure did have to. I'm giving y'all the close-ups. I'm trying to let y'all see what I'm looking at in real time and real life. Look how creamy. Y'all about to see my husband's reaction. Look how creamy this cheesecake is. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye, guys.
All right. As I was saying before we cranked on the camera here, you actually tasted the cheesecake with the Ferrero Rocher. This Ferrero Rocher, by the way. Okay, that's pretty good chocolate.
Let's take it off.
You want to give me a piece? I want to see if I can cut. Can I cut?
No, it's cold. So you'll have to cut it with a knife.
Yeah, I ain't got no knife.
Well, bite into it and then take a
make
piece
it work.
of the cake. I guess.
All right, we're gonna make it work, people. We're gonna make it work. Here we go.
Look at y'all. Send the police because I'm gonna kill them.
There we go. Okay.
Oh my God.
Get that Ferrero Rocher in there. All right. Give me a piece. There we go.
That's a big.
Just gonna give me a little chunk. I'm gonna cut that. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. See that right here? This is the perfect bite. Check that out.
Oh well. Your mouth.
Okay. No good right now. You taste a little bit of the Hennessy.
Is it too strong? Let me ask you some questions. Is the Hennessy too strong?
No, the Hennessy's not strong. You don't taste a mouth of Hennessy.
Okay, and the most important question, because I know someone's gonna come for me. Is it sweet? Too sweet?
No.
Yep, and it's not too sweet, guys, because I cut the sugar back because of the Nutella. You'll see that below in the recipe.
It's good, boy.
I'm gonna make another one.
Y'all try this out. Well, you know what? I'm telling y'all, try this out. Good luck making all this. This took a lot of work. This is awesome.